Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Myself Deepak Mapusti. Students, welcome to our e-learning class which is organized by Modern English School Navada Bihar. Today I am going to discuss the 7th video lecture of class 10, that is our student some of the how to manage or some of the file or folders can be managed by which. Okay, that means how to manage the file and folders in the Windows. Okay student, so that is our topic student. Our topic is managing file or folder. How to manage file or folders. Is that clear student? The student now come to the start. First of all, we will discuss student what do you mean by file and what do you mean by folder. What do you mean by file and what do you mean by folder? Okay student. The student, file is basically collection of interrelated information or data. Is that clear student? So student, it is a collection of interrelated information or data. Okay student, that means the file contains the information. When a man is working in the computer, so they can make the different types of things, or they can create the different types of files. They can create the different types of files. That means the file may be student. The file may be different types. When a man is working in the computer, they can create different types of files like document, audio, video, image. Okay, so these type of the files can be created by a user when they are working in the computer. Okay student, so that means what type of information you want to create, that is your file. Is that clear? Is that clear student? Next come to the student, what folder. What is folder? Student, folder is the collection of related files. Okay student, the folder is a collection of related files. Is that clear now student? That means so many files we take as a one folder. Okay, and one folder can contain the subfolder. If I draw the diagram student, suppose this one, suppose folder 1, then folder 2, folder 1, folder 2. Okay student, folder 1, then folder 2. Then in the folder 1 can be student file 1, file 2, folder 3. Okay student, the folders like this also. I want to make the file 3, file 4, folder 4, like this. Okay student, so student, the folder Okay, the folder can be divided into like the folder. You see, it is a collection of files and a collection of drives also. Here also, and the file contains the so many information. Is that clear? The student, ultimately we can tell, okay student, when the file or collection of file or folder on a computer that can be managed by a program that is called as a Windows Explorer. Okay student, once again I am telling you, when the collection of file or folder on a computer can be managed by a program, that type of the program is called as the Windows Explorer. Okay, so that means come to the what? Windows Explorer. Okay, so student, so what do we mean by Windows Explorer? Windows Explorer is a what? Collection of all files or folders. Okay, collection of all files or folders on a computer which can, okay student, which can be managed by program is called Windows Explorer. Is that clear? That means when you open your computer, the first screen of computer is called as a desktop, and when you open any type of the Windows, okay student, and that Windows basically displayed in the two panes format. Okay student, two panes format. Okay student, so yesterday we have already discussed, yes or no student, two types of window. One is your application window and application program window, another one is your explorer window. Okay student, so student like this, two panes will be displayed. This is your left pane and this one is your right pane. This one is your right pane. Is that clear? Left pane and right pane. So I have discussed about all the file. When you open the collection of the file on a computer that can be managed program, that is called the what? Windows Explorer. Okay student, that means all the files and folder and drives will be displayed in here. Is that clear or no student? That means the left pane contains the drives, folders. Okay student, drives and folders, and the folder contains what type of the file, folders or files will be there, that will be displayed on the right pane. Okay student, when a folder contains another folder, that is called as a subfolder. When a folder contains another folder, it's called as a subfolder. Is that clear? The student, so in this way, you see this one, folder 1 contains the folder 3, folder 2 contains the folder 4. So this is called as a student, this is called as a what? Subfolder. This is called as a subfolder. Is that clear or not student? Is that clear? So student, so this is our what? Diagram for Windows Explorer. When you open the Windows Explorer, so in this format it will be displayed. First of all, the drives contain the folders, then folder contains the different files or folders will be displayed. Is that clear or not? So this is our Windows Explorer. Okay student, now we will discuss, come to our topic, how to manage file or folder. So student, to manage our file or folder, by the different ways. Now what type of the managing we can file or folder? That means what student? Create a new folder. rename file or folder, selecting a file or folder, copying the file or folder, moving a file or folder, deleting a file or folder. These are all the what student managing file or folder. Okay, that means how to control. Once you create the file, where you want to store or which name you want to give of a file or folder. Okay, in which location you want to take and how to move from one place to another place, and why you want to delete, why you want to give the rename. So these are all the concept of the managing file or folders. Is that clear or not, student? Is that clear? So student, now first one is here, we discuss the word student. The first one is here, that is our student creating new folder. Creating new folder. Okay, student. How to create a new folder? Okay, so it is a very simple. There are two methods to create a new folder. Okay, student. So method one. Okay. So step one is what, student? Open the Windows Explorer. Okay, student. First of all, open the Windows Explorer. Open Windows Explorer and right click okay, student, and right click on blank area of right pane. Okay, student, open Windows Explorer and right click on blank area of right pane. Okay, right click on blank area of the right pane. Then step 2, very simple. Take your mouse. Okay, right click of your mouse from the blank area. Okay, student. Then click new folder. Then click new folder. Click new folder option. Okay, student. Then click on the new folder option. Yeah, click on the new option. Click on the new option. Then go to click on the new folder. Then click on the new folder. Click on the new option. Then click on the new folder. And step 3. Type the name. And press enter. In this way you can create the new folder. Okay, students, because all type of the files, because don't be save the file directly on the desktop or any drive. You create one of the folder. Inside the folder, what? Store the file. The folder is basically used for this purposes. For what? Store the information. Store the file. File store the information. Folder store the files. Okay, student. This is our method 1. Okay, student. The method 2. Method 2 is your what, student? Method 2. It is also very simple. Okay, student. What will you do? Click on any drive from left pane. Okay, so click on any drive from left pane for creating new folder. Okay, student, for creating new folder. Okay, then 2 is your student what? Then go to organize menu. Go to organize menu. then go to new folder, then go to new folder, then go to new folder, and again type the name and press enter. So there are two methods to create a new folder. Have you understood or not? Is that clear? Try to understand. This one is very simple. Okay, student. So that is here the first one, the managing file or folder. But how to create a new folder? First one. Is that clear? Okay, student. Now go to the student. The next one is your what, student? The second one is your. The second one is your, student, renaming file or folder. Renaming file or folder. Renaming file or folder means give the new name of the existing name. Okay. If suppose this is my file, if I have written here D. Okay, student. So I want to change this name. To change of the old name, give the new name of existing name of any file or folder, that is called as a renaming file or folder. Okay, renaming file or folder means give the new name of an existing name of the file or folder, that is your renaming file or folder. Okay, so student, how to rename file or folder? It is a very simple, student, very simple. How? Student, the step one is your what? Click on file or folder. Click on file or folder for renaming. Click on file or folder for renaming. Okay, student. Then step 2. Then what will you write in the step 2, student? Same. Go to organize. Go to organize menu. Then click on rename. Then click on rename option. Okay, student. And step 3. Give new name and press enter key and press enter in this way you can give the rename, or you click on the file or folder. The shortcut key to rename file or folder is the F2. Okay, student, the shortcut key to rename file or folder is what? F2 key. Okay, remember F2 key is used to give the rename file or folder. Okay, so this is our renaming file or folder. On same also, click on the file or folder, right click on there, click on the rename option, again give the new name and press enter key. In this way also you can rename. This is also one of the method you can give the rename also. Okay, student, is that clear or not? Is that clear? So student, this is the second one. The third one is your, student, what? The third one is your student, selecting file or folder. Selecting file or folder. So student, sometimes we need select the file or folder. See, student, the selecting file or folder is used for what purposes? For different tasks. For doing the different tasks of selecting file or folder like delete, copy, move, rename also. For this type of the purposes, we need to select file or folder. Is that clear or not? To select the file or folder for what purposes? For doing the different types of the task like copy, move, rename, delete, etc. Okay, student, for this reason we have to select. So whatever you want to manage the file or folder, first of all you have to select. Is that clear, student? So student, if you want to select all the files or folder, that is our word control plus A. Selecting all our file or folder, the shortcut key is a word control plus A. Okay, student. Now we discuss the word select the next of the next folder. Okay, student. Select that topic is our student word selecting the item which are next. Okay, student. The selecting again there are two categories. See under selecting. The first category is the word selecting files or folders selecting file or folder. Okay, so topic is selecting which are next. Which are student? Which are next to each other. Which are next to each other. That is our topic. Selecting file or folder is what, student? Selecting file or folder which are next to each other. That is called as adjacent files or folder. So ultimately we can tell this one also adjacent file or folder. Okay, student. So what do you mean this one? If student, this is my Windows. Okay, student. So A, B, C, D, E. Suppose this one. Okay, student. Selecting file which are next to each other. Suppose I have selected A. After A, then B, then C, then D, then E. Like this I want to select. That means selecting the file or folder which are next to each other. That means A next B, B next C, C next D, D next E. Like this. To select. How to select the file or folder which are next to each other. Okay, student. Are you getting or not? What do you mean by selecting the next of the file or folder to each other? How? Again, there are the different steps to follow the steps. Is that clear, student? Then how to do this one? Okay, student, it is a very simple. First of all, you select any of file or folders. Yeah, click on. You can write also in place of select. You can write also click on any file or folder. Okay, student, is that clear or not? That means once you click means that is your select. Now, my topic is how to select file or folder. Okay, student, which are next to each other. So first of all, I want to click here. After clicking this one will be selected. Now, how I want to select B, C, D. How? Then step 2 is your what? Okay, student, hold the shift key. Hold the shift key. Okay, student, hold the shift key. Hold the shift key. Okay, hold the shift key and press arrow key and press. Okay, student, and press right arrow key for selecting next. Okay, so for selecting next. Is that clear or not? For selecting next. Hold the shift key, then press the what? Press the right arrow key. That means once you press the right arrow key, B will be selected. Then again C, then D, then E, like this. Up to E you have selected, then after this one student, then release shift key, is that clear student? Release shift key. Okay, then you see your one after another file or folder will be selected. Is that clear or not? So in this way we can select the file or folder which are next to each other. Is that clear? Or that is called as the adjacent file or folder. Adjacent of A is your what? B is your E and C. Yes or no? You can tell that they are also adjacent. Another one is your student what? The B1. Okay. So this is your A and the B1 is your what? Same. Selecting file or folder, which are not next to each other. That means then if I will selected A, if you select A, then I want to select C, then I want to select B like this. That means A and C are not next to each other. C and B which are not next to each other. So that is called as a non-adjacent. Okay student. Then how to do that one? Okay student. How to do that one? How to select which are not next to each other? Okay. Again we follow the some of these steps. Student, this one you see. The first step is click on any file or folder. Okay, is that clear? Then hold the in place of the shift key. Write the control key. In place of shift key, when you are not selecting to next each other of the file or folder, for that you hold the control key and what will happen? And click on any file or folder. Click on any file or folder by mouse. Is that clear or not, student? Then release. Then in place of shift key, then release control. So this way you can. Okay student. So this one. Okay student. So selecting file or folder which are not next. So these are all the steps. Is that clear or not student? Have you understood or not? So in this way we can manage student. First one, create a new folder. Then another we have discussed renaming. Another one is selecting. Okay student. So today we have discussed only the three methods how to manage. In the next class, that is the last video class of this chapter, that one is a copy, moving, deleting, etc. Okay student. So student, so you see carefully this one and you write one of the homework. That one is your what student? What do you mean by adjacent and non-adjacent file or folder? First question. Which key is used to select the file or folder which are next to each other? And which key is used to select the file or folder which are not next to each other? Which are not and which are next to each other? Is that clear or not? So this is your classwork after watching the video and so on. Is that clear? So that's it student. Thank you.